Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cookmate. This is Chef Neupane. Today I'm here with the very practical recipe of chicken biryani, which is quick and simple for you to try at home. Before I start, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. First, I'm going to start with the marination of chicken. Here, I have prepared these ingredients for our chicken marination. Ginger and garlic paste, tomato dice, sliced onion, sliced chilies, mint chop, coriander chop, nice and golden brown fried onion just before I have done this, chicken with bone into curry curds, yogurt or curd. Here I have whole spices. I'm going to divide them later and use for boiling of the rice and to cook the chicken. Marinate the chicken now. 3 tablespoons of yogurt, ginger and garlic paste, sliced onion, sliced chili, mint leaves, coriander, tomatoes, brown onion, salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder. Now let's mix all the ingredients. I'm giving the chicken very gentle massage so that all the spices whatever we have added mix very well. As you can see now, our chicken marination is done. Let's rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our rice. I have soaked 250 gram of long grain basmati rice. Make sure you soak it for at least 25 minutes before boiling. To boil the rice, put half amount of whole spices what we have prepared before into 1 liter of water. Make sure to add enough amount of salt for the rice. Now it's time to add ghee or butter, then cover it and wait until it's get boiled. At the same time, we can start to cook our chicken. Add rest of the whole spices into hot oil in this sequence. Just cook the spices until all the flavor of them released into oil. Now it's time to add our marinated chicken. Make sure you put all the marination into the pot. Now let's stir gently to mix everything well and let it to cook first without covering. Another side, our water is ready to cook the rice. Add all the rice what we have soaked here. Add few drops of rose water which gives really nice aroma to our biryani. As you can see, I'm cooking rice and chicken at the same time. In one pot, chicken is going on and another pot, rice is boiling. Now I'm going to cover the chicken and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our rice is cooked 70%. It's time to drain the water. It is best to spread rice on the flat plate to avoid overcooking. Here, even our chicken is done. You don't need to cook fully because after layering with the rice, we are going to cook it again. First, let's remove half of the chicken from the pot. Now, let's add half amount of our rice to the pot very gently. Spread all over. Now let's add chopped mint, chopped coriander. I have cooked saffron and milk, so I'm going to add in this way, which gives nice color to the biryani, and our half of the chicken. Now let's add rest of the rice. Put mint and coriander, golden brown onion, butter cubes, also you can add ghee, and then add saffron milk in this way. Now let's put on tight lid and cook for 10 minutes on a lower flame. Wow, it has beautiful aroma. I wish you could smell its flavor right now. It's so amazing. Look at this. It's so delicious, isn't it? Now I'm going to serve it. Before that, make sure you mix your biryani gently from bottom to the top. It can be garnished with golden brown onion, some cashew nuts roasted, chopped corianders, and mint. Here we go. Now you can enjoy your biryani with any kind of raita. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please write in the comment sections, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.